Hi, I am not here today, obviously. I'm actually in Fort Smith taking a group of 8th graders to Regional History Day to see if we can get to state competition for National History Day. Anyway, that's where I'm at, and I'm just going to give you some instruction. So, as you recall, yesterday we watched a video on what culture is. Do you remember the 7 indicators of culture? You might want to review it, okay, if you missed some. So I would like you to go down to Unit 4, The World's People, and you can review those 7 indicators in that culture video right here. Boom. It'll come up for you. But after that, oh, we also watched Where Was Matt? That was cool. Makes me happy. It's good music. Okay. So just remember what kind of things you saw in those 2 videos. All right. So it says, please watch the video on how culture is defined. That's how we did it. We did that yesterday. So today I would like you to closely read culture summary and annotation. So it says, open in Kami and complete the sections. Make sure you flatten annotations, of course, before you download, or I won't be able to see what you've done. All right, so you need to go to culture and summary annotations. It's going to open it up. I'm going to hide that. Okay, I'm going to open it in Kami. It's going to think a minute or 5. I don't know. Okay, here we go. Awesome. So the main ideas for culture, of course, is that it is a set of beliefs, goals, and practices that a group of people share. That could be a large group. That could be a very small group. Okay, band geeks like me, or the American culture, which is a wide variety of things like we talked about. The world includes many different culture groups, yes, and new ideas and events lead to changes in culture. Our culture is always changing because the people are either coming into the culture, we're going out and spreading what we know. Okay, so there's some really key terms here that you should start reviewing. All right, and they're listed here, of course, but they're also, whoops, they're also listed here in oh my goodness. All right, good times. In the section summary. So like we've done in the past, read the summary here and then do what it asks, okay? So it says underline the, oh my gosh, underline the sentence which lists some parts of culture. You can go over here to drawing and pick your color and then underline parts of culture. And then it says, what are some basic cultural features that people share? And I want you to write it in those boxes. So you can go over and click on the text box and click here and start your writing, okay? Can I make it go away? Yes, go away. Okay, and then come back down here to culture groups, continue. I'm gonna sneeze in just a second. Okay, maybe it'll go away. How can how can cultural diversity affect the people in an area? Write your answer here. Go over here. It's probably over here somewhere. Told you. All right. So continue, continue, continue. Oh, look, here's some different type of information. On the line provided before each statement, write true if a statement is true, and F is if the statement is false. If the statement is false, write the term that would make the statement correct on the line after each sentence. So if this is false, and I'm not saying it is, replace the underlined words with something different that makes it true. Don't rewrite the whole sentence. I've had people do that. Okay, try to make it as simple as possible. Replace the underlined word or words with something up here to make the sentence true. If it's false, it says if it's false. Okay, so you're gonna really have to look back at your key terms. All right, okay. The last thing, use all of the terms from the word bank. How about we just say, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say 3, okay? So use 3 of the terms from the word bank to write a summary of what you have learned in this section. I do not want the definitions of the words, okay? Can you give me some examples that are not listed in here? Okay. In your own words, rewrite the definition. Okay. That's what I want. Summary. This is a hard thing for for many people to do. Okay. Do not rewrite or write the definition. And apparently I still can't do that. Okay. Got it? And once you're done, as always, you're going to download, you're going to flatten annotations, and begin your export. And it will export it to your Chromebook. You can look in recents and you should be good to go. But once you do that, you can upload it to this. All right. Add a submission and upload your file like normal, like we do normally. Okay. That is your task for today. So don't rush through this. Make sure you've done all the parts of the summary and the annotations. If you do get done within time, then you need to check to make sure you've done all your assignments. Check hack like I asked you to do yesterday. Okay? That's what I want you to do. And tomorrow we'll look at cultural diversity in America and we'll do some coloring. Okay, how about that? All right. That's all I have for you. Have a good day and I will see you Wednesday.